I can't help but feel like life's going too fast. I've spent too much of my time thinking longingly of the past. Now she won't listen to a word I say. It's a shame, but that's okay. Just don't expect me to behave perfectly when we meet again someday. I've held my tongue for weeks, I thought silence was for the best. But every time we speak, she keeps the cards tied to her chest. How are you? Hope you've been well. Why thank you, I've been just swell. Could someone maybe help me find a lady, the one for whom I fell? So please enlighten me, 'cause I can't quite comprehend exactly which part of this amounts to being friends. Sometimes life is hard, it can leave you feeling small. When people behave in ways that make no sense at all, push them out of your mind and leave it all behind. Sing out a song of how you moved along, because they're just not worth your time. Now all my positives I drunkenly negate. It seems the more I drink, the more my life stagnates. It surprised me to find how fickle her heart and mind. I used to hope for more, and now I'm sick to the core of feeling so resigned. And it's funny how time flew on the occasions that we spoke, and how I didn't mind receiving texts before I woke. I guess it just goes to show time passing's not bad when you know there's someone who calls you, someone who enthralls you, and you don't feel so alone. So please explain to me, 'cause I can't quite comprehend exactly what this is. Doesn't feel like we are friends. Sometimes life is hard, it can leave you feeling small. When people behave in ways that make no sense at all, push them out of your mind and leave it all behind. Sing out a song of how you moved along, because they're just not worth your time.